Alright, so starting off with the main door, this is our main entry, and as soon as you enter, अंदर आते ही on the right side you have the kitchen. Now kitchen has all the new appliances that we did not have in the last unit. इसमें dishwasher है जो हमारे पास last time नहीं था, plus we have an island, ये भी last time नहीं था, and we got a few new things, an air fryer. This stove is absolutely brand new from the building management. Oven, a microwave, brand new kitchen, brand new fridge. Of course it's open concept. इस किचन की हाईलाइट है ये पूरा आइलैंड जो कि यहाँ पर है इन द सेंटर. इसमें इतना बड़ा सिंक है which gives us a lot of space to work on our stuff. And then the highlight is I've kept my coffee machine here along with all my plants. Now coffee machine को मैं कहीं भी रख सकता था, but I decided it to be here because it's a different vibe. सुबह को उठ के आओ, brush your teeth, come here, make a cup of coffee while looking outside at the city because the view is pretty damn nice. और ये view ही एक ऐसा कारण था जिसकी वजह से I wanted this apartment to very strongly, and I think Ananya had the same feeling about it कि भाई इतना अच्छा व्यू दोबारा इस रेंट में तो नहीं मिलेगा, तो अगर अभी मिल रहा है तो ले लेते हैं, and we'll just stick to this place. So that is why I have my coffee machine right here. All of the stuff is in the drawers below. So come in the morning, make a cup of coffee and go sit in the living room and have that cup of coffee. But on the way to the living room from the kitchen, you get this middle part in which you can either have a dining table, but क्योंकि हमें dining table का कोई काम नहीं है and we both work from home, we have our workstations here and a very big statement piece. ये कारपेट आई कैसे लिया था? लास्ट टाइम मैंने इसको अपने ऑफिस में रखा हुआ था पिछले अपार्टमेंट में, बट इसको मैंने रीपर्पस कर दिया. उस घर में ये कारपेट वो ऑफिस का पूरा स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करता था. सो दिस इज़ द साइज़ ऑफ द ऑफिस इन दैट हाउस, द डेन. लेकिन इस वाले में ये एक स्टेटमेंट पीस है, इसको हमने बीच में रखा है एंड ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. इट ब्रिंग्स सम पर्सनैलिटी इन टू द स्पेस. Moving on, we have 2 workstations because मैं 100% remote काम करता हूँ and Ananya works like hybrid, so 3 or 4 or 2 or 3 times a week, sometimes none at all. So this is my setup. इस घर में space थोड़ा कम है because it's 1 bedroom unit, it's not 1 plus den. So storage थोड़ा कम है. That is the only disadvantage of this space, but we knew it, so we decided to go a little maximalist. हम चाहते थे मिनिमल करना, बट इट वॉज नॉट प्रैक्टिकल, सो वी अग्रीड एंड वी हैव क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ गोइंग ऑन दिस टेबल. आई ब्रॉट ऑल माई कैमरा गियर्स, माई वॉचेज, my whole work setup with everything that is required onto my table. And Ananya also got rid of a few things from her table. Specifically, she had one extra monitor on this table which she had to part ways with because she doesn't require it anymore, and it just brings down the weight of this table a little bit. Otherwise it's just too much stuff going on. Now let's get back to the coffee we were getting from the kitchen. Kitchen से living room में आओ and have your coffee right here on the sofa while looking at this huge expanse of water right outside the window. हमने सब कुछ repurpose किया है from the sofa to the entertainment unit and to the TV. And नीचे हमने एक छोटा सा मंदिर सेटअप किया है because very important. And then we have repurposed one of the shelves in the entertainment unit to put in the PS5. Otherwise उस घर में वो बाहर रखा हुआ था and अच्छा नहीं लगता था. So that is different from that house. But हाँ, सब कुछ repurpose हुआ है. हमने कोशिश करी है कि जितना कम नया सामान खरीदना पड़े उतना अच्छा है because why spend more and more money. So yeah, this is our living room. Now let's show you what's outside because that was the whole point to why we got this place. But बाहर जाने से पहले मुझे जैकेट पहननी पड़ेगी और सॉक्स पहनने पड़ेंगे because it's like -20 outside and I cannot go out in this. You step out of the living room and you end up on this balcony extending from the living room and going all the way to the end of the bedroom. And these are the views that you get. So this is the part of Atlantic Ocean. It just comes in from Halifax, और इसे कहते हैं Dartmouth Cove because ये Dartmouth है and it is a curve, so Dartmouth curve. But as you can see, कितना सुंदर लगता है. There is a small diving company right here. So we have boats and all parked right here, and they go from here all the time. And then we have the harbor right there. I don't know, इससे अच्छा और क्या मिल सकता था हमें. हमने यहाँ पे एक टेबल और 2 चेयर लगाई हैं. समर्स में यहाँ पे बैठ के कॉफ़ी पीना, खाना खाना, इट बी वेरी वेरी फन. हम सोच रहे हैं बारबेक्यू भी लगाने की, because we already have some sockets and we are allowed to have a barbecue right here somewhere. So summers will be very interesting in this house, but बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. तो हम अंदर ही अच्छे हैं. Alright, so that was the balcony. Next is our bedroom. So ये बिल्कुल लिविंग रूम से लगा हुआ है, and अभी दिखाया बाहर balcony extends till the bedroom. यहाँ पे डोर नहीं है बाहर जाने के लिए, बट इट्स द सेम व्यूज़, एवरीथिंग इज़ द सेम. अ लिटिल स्मॉलर बेडरूम, बट देयर इज़ नो नीड फॉर मोर स्पेस फॉर अस एटलीस्ट अभी के लिए, बिकॉज इतनी लंबी विंडोज़ हैं, इतनी बड़ी विंडोज़ है, लाइट बहुत आती है, द रूम फील्स बिगर, एंड हमारा सारा सामान इसमें आ गया है, सो वी डोंट नीड एनीथिंग एल्स. कुछ फ़ोटो फ्रेम्स हैं जो हम पिछले घर से लेके आए हैं, बट अभी तक हमने लगाए नहीं हैं बिकॉज हमारी ड्रिल ख़राब हो गई. So we either have to buy another drill to drill holes in the wall for those, or rent a drill. But देखते हैं वो भी कैसे करना है. Talking about closet space, so इसमें कुछ अलग से closet नहीं है, but it's a walk-in closet. So you walk through this door and you have a whole lot of stuff on this side, a whole lot of stuff on this side, and you have the in-unit washer dryer. Now that in-unit washer dryer is like a huge thing in North America, and we got it, so we are glad. And then straight through into the washroom. I don't know why you guys want to see that, but that is the washroom. इसकी एंट्री यहाँ से भी है बेडरूम के अंदर से, और अगर आपके घर पे कुछ गेस्ट आए हुए हैं और उनको बाथरूम यूज़ करना है एंड यू डोंट वांट देम टू गो इनसाइड योर रूम, there is another entrance right here from the kitchen. That is the main door, और ये दूसरा entrance है bathroom का. So yeah, this is our small little new 1-bedroom apartment which we are loving until now. And yes, I think this is kind of a dream come true for me. मैं आज तक कभी किसी अपार्टमेंट में नहीं रहा हूँ, except when I was in bachelor's, और उसमें भी मैं बहुत कम रहता था because I used to spend more time with my friends in their apartment. But yeah, this is our first apartment that we are renting with such great views. So yeah, glad that we could do this, grateful that we are able to do this, and thank you guys for watching this video. I don't know if you wanted to or not, but if you like the video for whatsoever reason, give it a like. मैं ज़्यादा टेक वीडियोज़ आजकल नहीं बना रहा हूँ बिकॉज टेक इज़ एक्सपेंसिव, और मेरा टेक्निकल डेट बढ़ता जा रहा है इफ़ आई मेक मोर टेक वीडियोज़. क्यों डिवाइस ख़रीदता हूँ बट मेरे पास उतना यूज़ नहीं है, तो अभी के लिए मैंने उसको कम कर रखा है बिकॉज आई हैव अदर प्रायोरिटीज़. बट ऐसा नहीं है दैट आई विल नॉट मेक वीडियोज़. आई एम स्टिल यूजिंग माई iPhone 17 Pro that I got last year when it was launched. I also have the Ray-Ban Metas, and I find myself using them sometimes because they are a headache. But yeah, they are absolutely fine. Nothing is wrong with them. It's just I feel a little nauseous whenever I use. Oh, sorry. I just feel nauseous whenever I start using these. So that's why I don't use them a lot. But I have everything. I can make videos if I want to, but I am just taking a small break from tech videos. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.